name PEZ comes from the German word for pfefferminz. You probably had them when you were a kid. A little dispenser with the 12 little candies that come out of it with the fun head. We've been around since the early 20s and been manufacturing in the US since the 70s. Some basic facts about PEZ candy. We produce about 1.5 million tablets an hour. Our packaging machines produce 350 rolls a minute. It's a lot of candy. One of our biggest challenges was the constant maintenance and the constant cleaning we had to do with our previous printers. We have a very dusty, sugary environment. We were stopping multiple times a shift to clean the print heads, realign, and start up again. James came to us and said, I have this Leibinger printer. And once he showed us the sealing technology, we were pretty much sold on it right then and there.
The most powerful innovation that Leibinger has is the nozzle seal. Some of the issues that they had here is they had to do a lot of cleaning. Due to the nozzle closing of the print head, we're able to close the nozzle and not have to clean.
Being able to put pressurized air into the heads allows it to keep our printer cleaner and therefore less maintenance. We have a lot of dust that we have to deal with. Leibinger printers have been very robust in that environment.
If you don't use it every day, the machine will turn on by itself and circulate. This eliminates any drying ink in the circulation system.
Ever since we switched over to the Leibinger printers, it's like turn them on, let them do their thing, and off you go, and it's perfect. It cuts our downtime in half.
We found that our morning startup is significantly easier, especially because we can program an automatic start time. They're ready to go before we even walk in the door. We have VNC connectivity on all of the printers. Basically, it allows you to see the screen as if you're standing in front of it and manipulate the printer as if you were standing right in front of the touchscreen. With Leibinger, being able to find a single ink to suit all of our processes has been significantly easier as far as stock goes. Much more efficient when it comes to using resources, especially with the Sealtronic head and being able to automatically close at night if somebody forgets to close it. It preserves a lot of the solvents that we used to be going through.
This printer has no maintenance for 5 years. This is the most of any other printer in the world.
It's more in the background, it's no longer in the forefront, and that's what I want from a printer.
So this is just the beginning of the future with inkjet printing.
I would definitely recommend Leibinger to other companies. It's been a very positive experience for us.